the chili diary, or the chili infused seagull diaries, where Marina herself is stranded in the corner. Got a nice little bit of reflection going as well. But either way, we have Boris, or is it Rate? One of the two.
No, Rate's there.
Ooh, yeah.
Just took a shit.
Well, I think I was go as far as saying oh dear. Oh, okay. Oh, we've got a young little cocky fuck.
Oh, right.
Wait for this guy to get properly killed. Oh, he didn't like it. Here comes Boris. Come on, Boris. Come on, Boris. Marina, get inside. Get inside.
Ben, get inside as well. Yeah, we'll go.
We have to hide behind the curtain.
Bring this properly.
No, here we go.
No.
Okay, how am I talking?
You have to like hide yourself.
Come on, Boris.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I
just regurgitated
And again.
Cunt.
Wait.
Oh, fuck.
Have another one.
Have another one.
I think that's what's going on.
He looks really angry at us.
You can't breathe.
Is there something to throw?
Look at it, it's like, I think it's high.
His beak's gone wonky.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you're such
Oh, what a stupid twat.
Wait, don't be too loud, I thought.
He's dying, he's dying.
I don't think it wants to come back now.
No, Ben, I think it was coming back.
No, Ben.
No, Ben, leave Rate. Leave Rate.
That's Boris.
That's fucking Rate, okay?
Such a good idea. My hands stink
Of what?
of that shit.
Tabasco.
Yeah.
Oh, it's eating it again.
Is it again? Is this even the one that's throw up again? Oh, look, this little guy. It's actually eating it.
This guy's a bit of a practical joker, isn't he?
Look how much his mouth is like. It's like salivating though. It's like pouring out of its mouth.
It's regurgitated it twice.
He doesn't know what's happening.
Oh, it's so stupid, it's eating it.
He's eating it again.
Did it just regurgitate it and then eat it again?
Look at this guy.
Is
Who
this
the fuck does he think he
regurgitating
is?
again?
Oh, Boris, cool. Oh, just chat.
Just shat.
Bring in your friends.
Yeah, I don't like lights.
Where's Rate, Boris?
He's eating it again. What an idiot. He's eaten it 3 times now.
Oh my gosh, yes, thank you. You actually
He's
not
gonna come back for more.
at all.
You live in hope.
I like reds and blacks a lot.
He's coming.
You can't make us mind where he's hungry
His
enough to.
beak is really wonky.
Yeah, that was the chili.
Oh, it's coming back up. Oh, yeah, that's like it. Here it comes. No, he swallowed it, but it's now deciding whether it wants more or not.
Is that Rate or Boris?
Look at this guy just staring at me. I don't like the look of him.
I think it's Rate.
What guy?
That seagull on the roof.
Okay, we've had a
If he just drops dead.
No, I want more fucking
Can I
death.
chuck a stone at it?
They can't
Fucking-
die from it,
Chuck a
can
milk,
they?
chuck a
They
milk
can't
thing at
die
it.
from it, it's just really funny because they like choke.
If you can find, it's probably gonna. I'm surprised it hasn't thrown up.
Can you go and ask to get some baking soda, Marina?
It regurgitated.
Say you're baking cake in your room.
Yeah, like literally that.
Can you pause it?
Or just say you need some baking powder.